Is it good to recycle? Probably is. When I talk to a lot of building owners about their roofs, I hear a couple of common things. They're worried about the budgets, that they may be over budget already. They're concerned, however, if they're going to be making good environmental and sustainability decisions. And they're also disappointed that if they have to tear off the old roof, that's all going to go to the landfill. And they'd really rather not do that. So when you're taking a look at a re-roofing project, obviously, number one, take care of what you have, maintain it so it lasts longer. Number two, take a look at a restoration of the roof first before you think about tearing off and re-roofing. And number three, consider recycling if possible. It's not possible in all cases, but in many cases it is. On a recent project we completed, we were able to recycle 3,700 cubic yards of material, over 70 tons of material. That was 200 dumpsters that were diverted from the landfill. If that kind of environmentally friendly thinking resonates with you and you'd like to talk some more, learn more, let me know. My contact information's in this post. And as always, don't forget to follow me at #RolfTheRoofingGuy at LinkedIn, YouTube, and Rumble. Make it a great day.